welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carbon. I got a sticker. Thank you so much. But here we go. Oh, Mr. Robert C. Peters, he sent Grumpy a sticker. We got his Facebook. I'm sorry. Let's see. Business card. Got this. I think I got one of these when I got my pipe. Alright, and for everybody that don't know, Mr. Robert C. Peters makes pipes. And this is an awesome little pipe. He's made me a little grumpy pipe. And it will hang right there up on the wall of stickers because that's where I want it to stay. Alright, let's see, what do we got? Says Grumpy, not as good as yours, but here's my sticker. Let's see. That's awesome. See, no, you can't say not as good as mine because you drew your sticker out. You did that. I didn't. I fed a bunch of prompts. Now, granted, it took me about a week of playing with the app, and I think I tweaked it through 2 different apps, but I used AI and fed a bunch of app info in back and forth and got pictures and saved pictures, and yeah, it took me a while, but that's AI interpreting my stickers how I want it. It came out good, but I wish I could have drawn that. But no, I like your sticker. Boom, here we go, y'all. I like that. That's awesome. Alright, let's see. I want to start carrying my stickers across the board up here, right? Let's move that up a little bit. There we go. I gotta get this guy out of the daggone way. I told y'all he's crazy. Bad news half the time. Daggone, those stickers stick good. Let's drop Grumpy down there for a minute. Alright, I'm going to put your sticker right here, Robert. And it's perfect with that square shape, rectangle shape. And it's going to go right there and feed over just awesome. Thank you so much for the sticker too, because I love it. I'm like you, I want to get as many awesome creators as I can in my box. Like I said, I got stickers I'm putting in my box. If I only get, a single sticker, which is awesome because I know these stickers aren't cheap, because that's when I send them out, I only send one. And if anybody gets a sticker of mine and you ever need an extra, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to send you an extra. But for the time being, I only send one out. That way I can be sure everybody gets one. I want to get you right there.
Today, oh wow, opened it up and made me say oh how. Inside a sticker gleamed so bright, slapped it on my box, felt just right. Thank you, Robert C. Peters, my friend. Your craft is magic, it'll never end.
Nice.
Pipes and walking sticks with a twist of flair. Go check his channel, it's all right there.
Let's see if we can zoom in. Alright, you got that glossy sticker. Alright, I'm learning that the glossy stickers give you that shine back with your camera. You get them with a matte, you don't get that shine back. Here's a matte one, you can see it good. Perry's has got that gloss so it shines. The lens is matte so you can see it good. And just at the angles too. But let me back up here. Alright, that is Mr. Robert C. Peters. And he does the awesome little wood pipes. Again, that's my grumpy pipe. And that is made on an olive burl. And I just put a piece of pipe cleaner around the bowl here, because that pipe cleaner holds the bowl on, or don't holds the bowl on, that pipe cleaner holds my thing up on the wall, and I can't pop the bowl out, but I popped the bowl out of it to clean it. It's not glued in, but again, Awesome olive burl. And then he did the grumpy on there. And then now when I got it, I took some of this UV epoxy, this UV resin. I put some of that on there, put a thin coat across it, and then cured it to protect the grumpy, because I used the bowl, I used the pipe, so I don't want to rub the grumpy off of there. But again, thank you, Robert. I greatly appreciate it. I love the pipe. Awesome sticker, dude. Awesome sticker. Y'all go check out my description. Robert's channel is going to be in there for sure. And again, yes, I'm going to have Spike's link in there as well. But that's Robert C. Peters. Awesome channel. He does some crazy pipes, some awesome walking sticks and stuff. Y'all go check him out. And that's Creation Dust 777. That's Josh. He's got an awesome YouTube channel. Bear and the Boss Lady. That's another Josh with an awesome YouTube channel. Jordy at Carbon Fusion, awesome channel. That's the very first channel I ever started following on YouTube as arts and crafts and wood carving and all that stuff. Jordy covered it all. Sean, Pen on Fire, good guy, good channel. Perry, Carbon Wizard, good channel. Electric Whittler, that's another Josh. Awesome channel, go check it out. DeLand's Handmade Woodworking, awesome channel, go check him out. Sophie Under the Bark, awesome channel, go check her out. Suzanne Rhinestone, awesome channel, go check her out. And another Jordy Johnson. And of course, again, that's my channel. I'll always watch Jordy's videos. He does some cool stuff. I have never seen anything he's done that I didn't like. Call me a Jordy groupie, I guess. But yeah, I do enjoy his channel. As he put it, he keeps it real all the time. And that's what I like. Alright, y'all. We're going to shrink down here. There's that piece of cottonwood bark that I've been eyeballing. I've been eyeballing it for about a week or so now. I got to figure out how I want to carve it. I don't know if I want to do some blended wood spirits on it, or if I want to do like maybe a little carved scene, like a whimsical scene on there. I'm not sure. But thank you for watching. Go check out my descriptions and check out those links. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.